Well, I'm at the Riverwalk in downtown Detroit. There's the Renaissance Center. There's my truck and all my setup and everything. Got a little tent set up for cold, so you got some shade. I got it strapped down with some straps there. In my bag. And I already cooked all this food. And Cole and I are working on it. Or is eating it. Because everything's looking good. It was threatening to rain earlier, but it cleared up. So it turned out nice out here. It turned out nice. Cole is roaming about. He's being good. He's staying within the area. And he ain't freaking nobody out. It's working good.